Hi all folks, this is Max from ZeroMax.com and the HTC EVO hacks.com. So they've got the new Gingerbread ROM. It's the King's ROM Gingerbread V6. So here's how to install it. Given that you've installed, you've rooted your phone, just turn it off. Yes, I play Angry Birds often. And before you turn it off, make sure you connect it to your computer and copy over the two files. I'll have the links on my blog, gingerbread_v6.zip and the G apps if you want the Google apps. Make sure you have those two apps anywhere in your SD card. And then we're just gonna go into our bootloader mode, and then we're gonna install the Gingerbread. Hold down the volume button and then press the power button. Very simple, right? And then go down to recovery, I believe. And then we should go back, get into our recovery mode. And we should be able to install our stuff here. Oops, kind of dirty here, sorry. Just go to, if you want to make sure, if you want to back up your current system, use the backup and hit the Android backup, and then hit power. But I'm just gonna abort because I don't really care. So, and then after you back up, you can wipe and wipe data factory reset, and then power button again. This will wipe your phone. Okay, and then wipe cache too, just for the hell of it. It's good to do it. And dial cache too. Wipe all of those because it doesn't take long. So once you've wiped all those things, hit power button at return. Flash zip from SD card, and then we're gonna go find gingerbread_v6, and then hit power, and then hit power again, and there you go. Now you'll have gingerbread. There's actually no notes on the site about whether this supports 4G, so I'm just going to test it out for you guys, and I'll have a detailed analysis of, well, just an overview of the Gingerbread on the HTC EVO. So it's going to update. I'll be right back after this is done. It's probably going to bore you guys, but I've been also messing around different ROMs. If you guys want me to test out certain ROMs, I can be your guinea pig, so leave in the comments below. So I'll be back. So it's done now, pretty much. And also, if you want to the Google stuff, you have to actually flash it separately. You probably do. So flash zip from SD card again, and go click on the G apps. This will install and hit power again. This will install all the Google apps like Google Maps and Gmail. I need it, so I don't know why they have it. So some people don't want it, I guess. Maybe they use push to email or whatever. And that's done, and then reboot system now. And now we have Gingerbread. How simple is that, right? And I think nowadays you can actually use a ROM manager once you root it. Let me see if I can do a video on that too. It's a lot simpler to use ROM manager, but the backup and restore is slower, so that's why I don't use it. But you know, I think they actually support this phone now. Put the light on here. Yeah. So hopefully I'll have Gingerbread, the King's ROM, Gingerbread V6. I hope this is cool ROM. Otherwise I'm gonna go install a bunch of ROMs. Anyway, this whole week I'm gonna install a bunch of ROMs. So check back. And by the way, this case is awesome. It's the I have it on my site. It's the Rinke rear thing. See, take a look at these buttons. They even made buttons so it doesn't interfere with the design, and it's not very thick. And everything works. The kickstand is not, you know, and yeah, I highly recommend it. I have a video review of it. I believe you can get it pretty fun. This is the best case. I used to have those thick cases from Cydio and all the stuff. I was promoting those, and then I was like, no, after I start using these. Anyway, Gingerbread. Oh yeah, so that's Gingerbread Supersonic ROMs. Okay, so see what it comes with. EVO Kings. Right. So I'm just gonna wait till this loads up. The first time it should take a long time. By the way, my favorite basketball team is the Kings, Sacramento Kings, even though they've never won a championship. I don't watch basketball anymore. Let me just log in real quick and I'll be back. Hi all folks, so this is first look at the Kings ROM Gingerbread. I'm not sure what Gingerbread does. Sorry, but anyway, I'll have an overview. It comes with ad-free this ROM, but I don't actually really need that. Let me try Limpack. Show you how fast this phone is now. I was getting like 26. So let me run it a couple times. So I'm getting pretty good speeds. 21.74. 22.536. So I'm getting like 20 something, which isn't bad. 20.363. I don't know if I get 4G here. Does this have 4G? Let me see. Okay, so yeah, this one doesn't have 4G. So if you like 4G, you might not want to get this ROM. Anyway, I'll have another ROM install. So see y'all later.